Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for November. Now in November, we are featuring the Perfectly Plaid bundle. I'm so excited about this 13-piece photopolymer stamp set and the coordinating pine tree punch. And there are two options to take this class that celebrates Perfectly Plaid. One is with the bundle. It's $47. $8 shipping, or online only. The class with the bundle includes the online classroom. Just the online classroom, no products, no kits, is $15. Now we have kind of a special circumstance here in November in the online classroom. The Perfectly Plaid bundle is on low inventory. That's Stampin' Up's way of telling us demonstrators that it could possibly go on back order. So you have until November 15th to register for the class. The Perfectly Plaid bundle is included in the $47 option. And you will also get a kit to create one of each of these fantastic cards and projects. So there are 5 total cards and projects. You'll get kits and access to the online classroom where you'll find the printable project sheets with measurements, photographs, supply lists, step-by-step instructions, and a video tutorial for each project. If you already have the Perfectly Plaid bundle, or you have a demonstrator that you love and you want to order that from her, if you're a demonstrator yourself or you live outside of the US, there is an option for just the online only portion. So the online classroom includes videos for each of the projects that you just saw, plus downloadable printable PDF project sheets that include pictures, measurements, step-by-step instructions, and supply lists. And you can find out more or request a payment link at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom or email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. All right, guys, if you've got any questions, reach out. I look forward to seeing you in the online classroom. Thanks for watching.